At level 3, you now have a complete, real-time, accurate digital view of production activity across machines and labor activities, combined with data from other core systems. It's been a bit of a journey to get here. You should be proud of your accomplishments so far because your factory has established a foundation of data. Now that you have 100% of your production data available within our platform, you have on-demand visibility and your team is empowered like never before. A discipline of leveraging real-time, data-driven insights and acting upon AI-powered recommendations is emerging. Your team takes the right actions at exactly the right time to optimize business performance. Your people have welcomed the new technology-enabled way of working as industry best practice. It's the future after all, and they're proud that your business is a leader, not a laggard. Employees want to join you and stay with you because the innovation you are leading makes your company a desirable modern workplace. You look back and chuckle with disbelief at how you were able to run your factories before. Much has improved, but you're not done yet. With all the groundwork done, you're ready to maximize the business benefits to be gained by fully adopting an intelligent manufacturing optimization platform. To learn how you can advance your manufacturing business to the most advanced level, why not explore some of our useful resources?